going into the next part of our lesson. So yesterday we saw how the moon has different phases, that is from a new moon day till a full moon day, then from a full moon day up till the new moon day. We have seen how the moon gets lighted and comes into, from darkness how it comes into light, and from light how it goes into darkness, and this phenomenon is called as waxing and waning. So for this waxing, for a complete revolution, this takes place because the moon is going round the earth, isn't it? For this complete revolution, it takes about 27 and 1/3 days. So we know a lunar month, that is about 28 days. That means 27 and 1/3 means it takes from about 28 to 29 days it takes for one complete revolution. So here we are going to see how the moon revolves round the earth. So here I have made something like this. This is in the textbook, but I have done it in a different innovative way with available things at home. So the earth is fixed here, then you can see this here, and then this is the moon. So when you are doing this, always you should see that the face of the moon is facing the earth. This side, the smiling face, should always face the earth. So now we are revolving, the moon is revolving round the earth. So how does it go? So it goes like this. The earth is rotating as well as revolving. Along with the earth, what is happening? The moon is revolving round the earth. So this is one revolution of the moon. So to revolve round the earth once, this moon takes 27 and 1/3 days. So to revolve round the earth, the moon takes 27 and 1/3 days. So now we saw this is revolution of the moon, isn't it? The revolution of the moon round the earth. So when the moon revolves, my question is, does the moon rotate? When the moon is revolving round the earth, does the moon rotate? We know the earth has two types of movement, revolution and rotation. Now here we saw the revolution of the moon. Does the moon rotating? When it was going, did you feel that the moon is rotating? We did not feel much, we did not understand, isn't it? For that, teacher is going to do one more activity which will make you understand whether the moon is rotating. For that, I have an extra smiley ball here. I have kept it on the bottle because you will be able to see. Now, what am I going to do? The moon is in position number 1. We will mark 4 positions. Number 1, number 2 here, number 3, number 4. That means at every 90 degree we will stop. Okay. So for one revolution, you know it is 360 degrees. It has to turn once round, isn't it? So every 90 degree we will stop and we will see the position of the moon. So here when I am turning like this, I will keep this moon also in the same position. So now here in position number 1, the moon is facing this side. So what am I going to do here? I am also going to keep this moon in the same way. Okay, I hope you can see. I am going to keep this moon also in the same way. So now both the moon is the same. So now you have to look at that moon and see whether it is rotating. and how many times it is rotating. So from here, when the moon is revolving, it reached to 2. Point number 2. Now which side is the moon facing? The smiling face of the moon is facing this side. So what must we do? This also we must turn. So now the position is here, number 1. Now it turned. You must see whether it is rotating. Okay, it turned. Now it is also facing this side. Now again the moon is revolving and reached now to position number 3. It reached to position number 3. So how should this face of the moon be? It also has to turn like this. Now see how much it has turned. 90, 90, 90. Okay. Now again the moon is revolving. It reached position number 3, isn't it? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position. So now the face is this way. So now what will you do? We have to turn it this side. Okay. Now again it has to come back in the old position from where it started, isn't it? So what must we do? This also we have to turn. So what did we observe here? When the moon went round once, that is when the moon revolved round once, how many times did this moon rotate? When the moon, this moon revolved once, how many times did this smiley ball rotate? Once again I will show you position number 1, then position number 2, 3, 4 and finally to the old position. So how many times did it rotate? Yes, we saw that this ball went round once, isn't it? This ball went round once. So for one revolution of the moon, how many times did this moon rotate? It rotated once. So what did we understand from that? The rotation and revolution of the moon is the same. So when the moon revolves round the earth once, it rotates also only once. That means the number of days of revolution and the number of days of rotation is the same. So the moon takes 27 and 1/3 days for revolution and 27 and 1/3 days for rotation also. That is why we always see only one face of the moon. We only see one side of the moon. If you look into the sky, you can see. We can see some craters and all there on the moon, isn't it? If you, on a full moon day, always we can see only the same things there. Some images we can see on the moon. So always the same images are there, we can see. So we see only one side of the moon. From the earth, we cannot see the back side of the moon. Why is it so? Because the number of days of rotation and number of days of revolution is the same. So it takes 27 and 1/3 days for rotation and 27 and 1/3 days for revolution also. So I hope this is very clear for you children. Thank you.